Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article right here. So basically, you guys know that Tesla, they're looking to expand their factories. So right now they have Fremont, Shanghai, Texas, and Berlin. So this article by Reuters stating that they eventually almost got the deals complete with Indonesia. So that's another factory there. And this factory here is expected to produce 1 million vehicle per year. Okay, so that's good news for Tesla holders because Tesla can the demand for Tesla vehicles are crazy. And if you guys follow my channel, I bought a vehicle. I bought a Model Y towards the end of December because Elon is really good. He knows how to get rid of the inventories. First, there were a lot of the cancellations of the vehicles because they wanted to wait for the tax incentive that was signed by our president starting in 2023. So to compete that, he first offered $37.50, and he got some people buying it, and then towards the end he wanted to push more. The last week it's like 7,500, right? So I was tracking the inventory, like from 400 it went down to completely zero. So that's how good it is. And even he tried to even push it towards the end as well, to adding like 10,000 mile free supercharge. So Tesla has all this advantage over other companies. For me, in my opinion, I just couldn't let it pass. So I bought the vehicle, and I'm happy that I bought the vehicle. So far, so good. I'm not saying that Tesla is perfect. If you watch my channel, you see that there's still room for improvement. For example, like I bought the car. When I got there, it was like the tail lights were like with water condensation in it, but they fixed it, and the driver door wasn't completely flush. Again, with the service center, they were able to fix it, so no issue there. And now the fact that they could open another factory, so they're going to be producing more cars for the Asia area, so they don't have to ship it from far. If you guys know that the Shanghai factory, they only produce Model 3 and Model Y, and they're really good at it. They're very efficient at it. But for the Model X and Model S, they would have to import it from Shanghai, right? So with this, when they produce a lot of cars, that means the price is going to go down. And Elon once said he wouldn't rather, but he would be okay with having higher volume and lower margins just to get the Tesla out there. Well, what does that mean for others company? So I'm gonna put this article so you can see here. So this article is from Nikkei Asia. It's saying that the Tesla earned 8 times more profit per Toyota car. So the margin for Tesla vehicle is really high. Okay, so to lower the margins, they produce more. That's good. I don't know if other companies will be able to lower the price of the vehicle just to compete with Tesla, such as because right now there's a few companies out there that are EVs, but their prices are really high, like Rivians, Lucid, and most of the companies out there, other than Tesla, they're in they're not profit. They're losing money. So if Tesla were to go that way, so I think that most likely, if other companies don't find better way to produce their car to lower the price, they're gonna go bankrupt. So that's just in my opinion. But and not only that, but I've heard that they plan to build another factory in Mexico, and so that's an ongoing negotiation. So there we go. So Elon wanted like at least 10 or 12 factories. So that's gonna be crazy, And right now we're just waiting for the update version of the FSC as well. So if that's going on too, that's gonna be crazy. Tesla, I just bought Tesla and I really love it. And so and I see a lot of things in Tesla, and you can say that I'm a Tesla fanboy, but if you're like myself, you know what I mean, like Tesla is really good, and I love Tesla. And if you guys have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below. If you like the video, please give it a like, and if you love the channel, please subscribe. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.